Hey, Assalamu alaikum. The children's safety is very important. Lives saving in any angle we will understand in this video. So please watch the whole video to understand. So clean and happy children is very important and it is very challenging. So the requirement of the baby is the food and environment, but it is not only. So school education, ethics, clean and safe, and behavioral adaptation as well as prevention from abuse and harassment. And epigenetic modification by environmental modification by the changes the positive modification. So the children want to get the ethics and a lot more things, and the basically is the clean up the community and the great community construction due to the children's safety. So for example, with the passage of time, the growth will occur in the children, so the epigenetic mutation will occur. So epigenetic mutation can change the children with the passage of time, and basically the mother is the primary safety for children, and the parent meeting also involved. And the epigenetic mutation means the above of the genetic, the environmental influence, which that can be abiotic or biotic factor, which that will lead to a change the children, and in this way the baby will change and modify it. So in this way, for example, the sun exposure and the abiotic factor and biotic factor like learning and the clothing, the teaching, learning methodology, health conscious diet and addiction prevention, vaccination and medication. Prevention from harassments is very important, and disease prevention through vaccination for the prevention of the polio. So for example, the ensuring the physical safety and the fostering emotional and the mental well-being, the ensuring online safety and promoting education and development is too much important. Community involvement and advocacy is also important. These all aspects we will understand with the detail. So remember, the basically you should give the love equally to the male and female baby. So the all children should be equal, and the love should be equal to distribution. So that is important things. And the ensuring physical safety can be supervision and the safe environment, stranger safety and traffic safety and emergency preparedness, health and hygiene, and protection from abuse and neglect. So important things you should need to understand. You should give the knowledge to your children for prevention that all things through the parent. Fostering emotional and the mental well-being. So it is also depend to the parent. Love and support, open communication, building the resilience, the problem solving skill, and promoting the self-esteem, the confidence increase due to the parent, and the mental health awareness. So this basically is the both factors require the good parent, and ensuring the online safety. You can open dialogue, setting boundaries, privacy getting and setting in your computer and devices, stranger danger online, which that prevent by the monitoring and supervision, and the critical thinking, which that basically involved in this way. So prevent the critical thinking from the children. Promoting education and development, which can be responsibility of the teacher as well as mother. Quality education, skill development, positive role models should be parent and the teacher also, and values and ethics. On the other hand, the community involvement and advocacy, which that will lead to support the child protection organizations, advocate for child friendly policies, and basically be a responsible citizen. So important thing you should need to understand. You should give the knowledge to the children for understanding better as a friendly. I hope you make sense about that. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah Hafiz.